Want to know how to make Dola AI speak through a text in the app or your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application. So we have also created similar videos and tutorials on Dola AI on your phone and your PC, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, and now once you're under this interface, here you should be seeing new chat on the top right side, so you can just simply click that. And now once you've clicked the new chat, here you should also be seeing this voice options on the top. So what I can do is I can just simply enable it. If it's disabled, just simply enable it, and again just simply type in anything, so it should speak off for you. So you can just simply select this and then select this voice note, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.